Hello everybody and welcome back to another My Porch Prints video. This is Kyra and today we're going to be doing something just a little bit different, something a little fun. I thought it would be kind of a cool idea to challenge myself to try to do an entire junk journal page spread in under 10 minutes. So I did go ahead and print everything off that I'll be using today and cut them out. I printed everything on cardstock except for the pages, which are printed on just regular paper. You can find all the details to what kind of paper we use, printer we use, and links to the kit I use down in the description box below. This is our Burgundy Petite pack, and we have several different Petite packs that come in different colors, and this is not even the entire kit. This is just a small sample of what's in there because I wasn't sure what I would be using today and didn't want to print off too much stuff. But you could also use any kit for this. Any kind of scraps you have would be great. Feel free to just get creative. I didn't want to stress myself out too much by trying to make everything match, so this kit will make that just a little bit easier on myself today. And I'm not going to be doing a voiceover for today's video. I'm actually going to be posting my live reaction during the 10-minute recording, so it's going to get a little bit silly, but feel free to join along because I'm also going to pop up a 10-minute timer, and remember to post your results to our Facebook group so we can share and compare. All right, without much further ado, let's jump right in here and do this 10-minute challenge. 15 seconds. I'm gonna try to do it all in one take. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh no, I've already wrecked my little thing. Oh no, this is gonna be a disaster. This is gonna be so bad already. I'm already panicking. I should have taken the glue lid off. Oh my gosh. I probably should have started with something. Oh man. This is great for just attempting to, maybe I want something like, oh no, don't think too hard, don't think too hard. Don't do it. Don't think too hard. Just get stuff on the page. Oh no, no. Oh no. Okay, I'm trying to like break it down into blocks and sections here. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh no. Oh gosh. I don't like it. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. That was bad. That was a bad idea. That was a bad decision. I should have left it as a triangle. What am I thinking? No! This is a new kind of panic. It's kind of fun though. Fun in a I'm panicking sort of way. Okay. It's probably a bad idea. I don't know. This is really good if you want to release your inhibitions, feel the rain on your skin. Oh man. I don't know. I'm just making things up. Ah! 7 minutes. Oh man. Oh wait, it's 8 minutes. Okay. No. Okay, I know how to do this. I know how to layer stuff. I can make this look nice. I am a professional. Yeah, I am. Okay, we're just gonna get stuff down. We're just gonna get it down. We're gonna do it. Ooh. I don't know, maybe. Oh, the overthinking. It's happening right now. Real time. Oh! Don't panic. Don't panic. There's no reason to. We're gonna be fine. We're just covering things up here. Mostly what I'm trying to do is get the, yeah. Okay. This is gonna be great. This is gonna be fun. I'm dropping stuff. Okay, I know what I'm doing, probably. Oop. We're gonna do a little bit of dimension because I think that sounds kind of pretty. There are no problems that cannot be fixed with a butterfly fussy cut, okay? There are no mistakes that can be made, you know? Fussy cut butterflies are my happy little trees. They're just perfect for everything. Okay. I'm really not thinking about this. I'm so curious to see how this is gonna turn out, you know, when it's all said and done. Because I'm really not paying much attention to what I'm doing. Like overall, oh, see, that was upside down. Okay. Cute little clock. I was like so ambitious when I first thought about doing this. I was like, I could probably do the front and the back, you know? And I'm sure, sorry, the grunt of extreme effort. That's what that was. I was like, maybe I can add like some little like hidden pockets and some pieces that like slide around. That'll be totally doable. What? What? I love that I believe in myself. I guess that's nice. Okay. Oh, they're getting crooked. Shoot. What to do? I feel like I need a little more contrast over here. I have so much stuff that it's not gonna get used. So making all these weird sound effects. Somehow it feels like it's helping me think. Oh, I need something bigger. Something larger. This is such a cute kit though. See, I do really like the, I can't think right now, the Petite packs because everything looks good together no matter what. So I don't really have to think that hard about trying to match pieces. If anyone wants to try this challenge using like random scraps they have, you have all of my respect because I think that's gonna be kind of hard. This is already feeling kind of hard, even though everything already matches and looks good together. So yeah, would this be pretty? I don't know. That's kind of pretty. Yeah. Okay. We should cross that divide a little. That'd be fun. I have 3.5 minutes. And I'm perfectly fine. Why do you ask? Oh, I glued the string. Oh no. Okay. I think I just want a couple of pieces to go across the center so that these aren't two completely distinct pages. These are, obviously I'm gonna have to go back in and cut, or not cut, sorry, glue some of these down better. Because I'm really just doing the bare necessities here. So I don't think there's a problem with going in and like finishing things up, but it's just kind of fun to see like what are you actually capable of in 10 minutes of time when it comes to a collage. And this is really good, I think, if you've been like in a creative rut, you know, and you're like not sure what to do today or what to make and you feel like you've been overthinking stuff. This is a good kind of creative reset to get you to stop overthinking so much and just kind of have fun with it. Which I am having fun. I'm also stressed, but in the best way. Am I going overboard? Now we're getting to that point where I'm like, is it too much? Is it not enough? What are we doing? I think my strategy is go big to start and then go smaller and then just kind of work on filling any blank spaces. So That's kind of what we're doing for the last 2 minutes. No. Oh my gosh. There's so many pretty pieces. I'm like, I want to use them all. I want everything. Kind of like it. It probably would have been kind of pretty if I had like some like lace doilies or something to throw in here as well. Woo. Okay, okay. Okay. I think we're getting somewhere. This is kind of fun. I was so worried that I was not going to be able to get things onto the page here today, but I genuinely think I've done okay. Like looking at it, it looks pretty. Am I crazy? I think it looks nice. I'm trying to think. I've got a couple ideas for how to use these. I mean, they make really good tags. They're good for like wrapping around a page, or it's just a really quick way to decorate a junk journal, you know? If you're 47 seconds. Ah! If you know you have a page in your journal that's been blank and staring at you for way too long, just fill it with a collage. Look how pretty this is. I'm kind of happy. I'm not mad at myself. Just filling up corners. No, don't fall over. Stay there. My art is rebelling against me. Oh, there's still so many cute things. I'm like, I want all of them. Maybe I'll do a 10-minute tag challenge with what's left. What do you guys think? That could be kind of fun. Maybe we'll just do a couple of different 3 seconds to 1. Just a little crooked. Woo! 10 minutes. So things are a little crooked here and there. Little cattywampus. This is definitely upside down. All right, so as you can see, this is kind of what the final spread turned out to be. Honestly, it turned out a lot better than I was expecting, and I think I may do more decorating like this in the future. Sometimes I struggle to figure out how to fill my journals, especially when I'm doing like a full tutorial series for you guys, so I think this could be a fun addition to some of my future projects. Let me know down in the comments below if you had fun watching today's video, or if you give it a try. I would love to see pictures of how yours turn out, so make sure to post those in our Facebook group. And also let me know if you would be interested in a 10-minute tag video. I think that could be fun next. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching and joining me today, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye!